we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of GISAEV Inflatable Pool with seats that's include. Family size inflatable pool. With 120 x 72 x 22 inch size, swimming pool with 312 gallons water capacity can hold up to 2 adults plus 3 to 5, age 3 plus, to enjoy a splashing pool party in the backyard. This inflatable pool would be a great entertainment for your pet dogs and family. Safe and durable rectangular inflatable pool. Swimming pool is made with fillet and lead-free, using BPA-free materials that meets the standards of international children's toys, which is twice thicker than most in the market, reducing the risk of punctures and ensuring a long service life. Quick and easy to use. The family inflatable pool is easy to set up, you just need to simply spread out on the ground level. The inflatable pool can be inflated in 3 to 4 minutes by electric pump, not included. Built-in 2 curved water valves double the drainage speed. Sturdy and stable pools for backyard. Comes with 3 individual air chamber each with double intake and free flow exhaust valve. The swimming pool for adults can withstand extra weight while preventing air leakage. 90 degrees vertical drain pipe of inflatable swimming pool can facilitate the outflow of water. Tidying inflatable pool up is no longer an issue. Great gift, swimming pool and ball pit. Inflatable pool is a great gift, families, pet dogs, and friends. They could not only enjoy the hot summer daytime with our inflatable pool in the backyard, but also it would be used as the ball pit indoor when the weather is cool. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.